Hello, welcome back to Occur Controls. Now we will see how to manage stock with the Possible 2.0 app. Go to Settings, select Item Stock. At the top you have total stock value followed by the number of items and last entered item code. For each item we can see the following details like item name, monthly sales unit rate, current stock, item code, stock value and last stock received date. Red bell icon shows that there are items in low stock. The respective item names are shown in red color for easy identification. The stock quantity is in red color if stock is in negative. You can also press the red icon to get the list of low stock items. Press the bell icon to flip between the item list and low stock item list. Swipe from right to left to edit item details, update stock and delete items. Select the item list details and you can see and edit the item details. Here you can choose whether the product is weight or pieces. Enter your low stock limit to get low stock notification while billing. Enter the GST tax slab for the product and click Done. Select Edit Stock to add or edit stock. You can see the item name, current stock along with the edit and add symbol. Press edit to change your current stock quantity and plus to add new stock. Press cross to close the bar. Scroll the item list and choose to edit or search the item by name. Press search item and enter your item name. The item can be added in three ways. First, you can import it through Excel file. Second, dynamically add while billing, which we will talk about that later in another video. Third, add in the item stock. Now, we will see the third option. Click the plus button and enter all the details. Here, the last item code is shown. Enter the other field and click Done. The other button is to print or export the stock list. Press print to print the file or press export, then yes to enter the file name. To view the exported file, go to the file stored in your device and select AKRBT folder and view the files. There is an option to update the stock and rate from Excel file. Instead of uploading the entire item data, this allows you to update only the stock and rate. Click the download button in the top right, click yes, no problem and select the file. Press the bin icon to delete the item. If you are yet to purchase the app, download it from Play Store and contact us for more details. Make sure you watch all our tutorial videos of this Possible 2.0 app.